Okay, welcome back everybody. So in this video, we want to create our Brownie project, or we can say we want to bake a Brownie project. So it's going to be about how to bake a project. Okay. So down here, number one, we're going to make a new directory for your project. So we're going to go mkdir, which stands for make directory, and then the project name. Now in this project, I'd like to create a DAO. So let's go over to our terminal. Go make dir DAO. And there we go. So that is created. Now let's go ahead and cd into it or navigate into it. Cd DAO. Okay, now we're in it. So now what we want to do is we want to go to this GitHub site with a number of GitHub repositories for Brownie. So let's navigate over to github.com/brownie dash, make sure you get the dash, mix. I've already got it open here. All right, so github.com brownie dash mix. And this is the repo that I would like to create for this video today, which is how to create a DAO. So it's going to be DAO dash mix. So all we got to do, once we've found that, and there's others, obviously, there's many others here: Flashbone, React Mix, NFT Mix, Token Mix, Chainlink Mix, which we'll get to later. For now, we're going to do dao-mix. So if we search for that, and then we're going to go back to the terminal, and all we're going to do is type brownie bake dao-mix. So brownie bake dao dash mix. It always comes up with that line, could not find files, etc. And now you can see it says it's downloading from GitHub, and it says it has been initiated at DAO. It's a success. Let's go check it out. Our Brownie projects, Brownie projects 2, and I go to, let's see, where's DAO? DAO. Okay, I'll show you in this one. It does not look like it did a new DAO. Oh, here we go, DAO. Okay, so inside our Brownie project, we have another folder called DAO, another one called DAO. So actually, we didn't need to make a new directory because it made it for us. But anyway, for the sake of looking at what this did, which is really cool, here is our DAO folder, and here are contracts. So it already created the contracts for us just by downloading that repo. And so here's some of the contracts. It's got the governance time lock, governor contract with all the Open Zeppelin contracts imported. And then it's got down here box.sol, and then down here the actual ERC20 token. So contract governance token is ERC20 votes. So that is naming this contract and from the ERC20 votes from Open Zeppelin. So pretty cool. So you've got a framework for a DAO just like that, and that's the power of Brownie. So we'll come back and we'll revisit this later, and we'll go over some other functions in Brownie, and we'll go ahead and do some other projects as well. Feel free to look through some of the other, the file structure that it created within the DAO folder, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.